Hey everybody, I haven't uploaded the video from yesterday. This is December 2nd, 2020. Or as Barbara Walters used to say, tinty tinty. Anyway, if you don't know who Barbara Walters is in 2020 and tinty tinty, just look it up. But anyway, yeah, yesterday, wow, what a day. What a night. My girlfriend, she works for one of the largest towing and recovery services around these parts. She's the administrative assistant, runs the office, all this sort of good stuff. She ended up working late, and this happened yesterday. I was around here. I had a bunch of running around to do, so I ended up being here for a good part of it. Wow, we had so much snow and so many accidents in this area that they worked all night. Not her, but everyone else. I mean, the snow and ice, it came in, wow. Roads were all messed up. Seriously messed up. But when you get the snow coming in and everything the way it was yesterday off Lake Erie, wow, it was something else. And one of my girlfriend's friends, she lives closer to Erie than we do, and they were buried, from what she said. Whenever I got home, wow, we waded through snow. I mean, it was unreal. And I didn't have like snow boots on or anything, and honestly, I don't even own snow boots. I obviously need snow boots because I don't know where the global warming, oh my gosh, the global warming is happening at, but it doesn't seem to be here. I mean, right now it's 33. It stayed like 27, 30 most of the night, from what I could tell. It was 29 last night, and it was like 27, 28 this morning. So yeah, it was pretty chilly. But yeah, whenever you live near a lake, like Lake Michigan, Lake Erie, Huron, all those, the Great Lakes, wow, you really get it. And before I moved here, some of my friends they lived in this area, and they said yeah, it gets it a lot worse along the East Coast, because this is Northwest. And I asked before I moved up here if that was true, and they said, yep, it's true. So yeah, we get plenty of great snow here. Anyway, all of you take care. Wanted to let you know that I did survive it. I'm gonna upload hopefully tonight, unless we go through this again. We should be home a little earlier, because we didn't get home last night till, I don't know, 9:45, something like that. It was late. Roads were terrible, and I mean, I've got 4-wheel drive and a new set of tires, all that, but I wasn't going to take any chances. A lot of people don't drive like I do, and believe me, they ended up in ditches and accidents and you name it. So anyway, all of you take care. I will try to get that other video up tonight, and you can see exactly what the roads look like, because we were going to a store, and the store we were going to, they were actually closed because power was out in that area. All the snow and ice had brought the power lines down, from what I've been told. So anyway, take care. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.